Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make creamy chicken soup. This isn't just a can of cream of chicken soup, this is ultimate comfort food, warm your soul kind of soup. To start, we're going to get our ingredients ready by simply cutting up 1.5 pounds of chicken breast into 1-inch cubes. If there's any fat or sinew, feel free to trim that off. If you have leftover rotisserie chicken, you can use that too. Now on a separate clean surface, we're going to slice up 1 medium onion into bite-sized pieces and place those into a bowl. Next up, we're going to grab 4 ribs of celery and slice those into bite-sized pieces. The last veggie we need to cut up is 3 large carrots, or you could use 4 medium carrots. Add these into that bowl. Now that all of our prep work is done, we're going to head over to the stove. Heat up a large pot over medium-high heat. Then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once that butter and oil are hot, we're going to slide the chicken into the pot. Season up the chicken with a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Go ahead and give that a stir. Let this chicken cook for 5 to 7 minutes until it's thoroughly cooked. Remove the chicken from the pot and then we're going to set that aside. Add in 4 remaining tablespoons of butter, your chopped vegetables, and saute those until they're a tad softer. Add in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Add in half a cup of flour and give that a light stir and let that cook for about 2 to 3 more minutes until that flour has become a darker golden color. Add to that a half a cup of cooking wine, which really enhances those flavors. And go ahead and stir and scrape the sides of that pan, loosening any of the cooked and browned bits. Slowly stir in 6 cups of low sodium chicken broth, 2 cups of heavy cream, and stir that as you pour it in. Then we're going to add in our herbs, which is 4 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of sage, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, and half a teaspoon of thyme. Now we're going to add in our cooked chicken, whether it's the chicken we cooked before, rotisserie chicken, or leftover chicken. Bring that to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it's achieved that rolling boil, we're going to reduce that down to a simmer, stirring that occasionally where it's going to cook together for another 20 to 25 minutes. Be sure to remove those bay leaves and season that with some salt and pepper to taste before serving. If you want to add a little color, garnish that with a sprinkle of parsley and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.